A simile directly compares two things using the words like and as. I slept like a log. I'm hungry as a horse.
Your love is like bad medicine.
Exactly.
That's Bon Jovi.
Okay,
His hair is awesome.
moving on. Metaphors are different from similes.
I've been called a germaphobe, but I do find a single sneeze acceptable. It could be caused by dust, allergies, or really whatever nasal irritant floats your boat. However, during flu season, a second sneeze means a plague is upon the land, and is every man for himself.
Where do you think you're going?
Away from you.
Why's that?
I want to live.
I'm not sick. Get back in your seat.
No, thank you.
You know the rules. You can't leave without a hall pass.
May I have a hall pass?
No, you may not. Now get back in your seat.
Rules are the pillars of society. I love rules, but what benefit are rules to a dead man?
We have to go to school and Sheldon doesn't. That's not fair.
Sure it is. Sheldon loves school and can't go. You hate school and have to. Fair.
He still spends his day doing chores. Can't sit around playing with his trains.
Yeah, put him to work. Good parenting, Dad.
Well, I'm glad you approve.
I do.
Where are you going?
I'm going to give Sheldon a list of chores.
You're actually taking my advice.
Yes.
Well, how about that?
Hey, you were due.
Proud of you, George.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Is that chewing tobacco?
It's chocolate bazooka. What do you want?
I have detention tomorrow, and I thought you could give me some tips.
That was pretty badass, you walking out of class like that.
It was not my intention to be bad A-word, but thank you.
The only thing you need to worry about in detention is staying close to the teacher. If he leaves the room, you go with him.
Why?
Because you're going to get your A-word kicked.
Are you saying I'll be in physical danger?
It's all the worst kids in school in one room for an hour. What do you think's going to happen?
I thought we were going to spend the time regretting our actions and thinking about how we could be better in the future.
Well, you thought wrong. Get lost.
You're both mean and nice to me. It's confusing.
Maybe I'm doing this wrong.
When you're a 9-year-old genius and germaphobe, flu season is the enemy.
We're ignoring this?
But don't worry, Sheldon's thinking inside the box.
What's with the Halloween costume?
In case of a breach.
Plus, see how a Cooper family tradition began. New Young Sheldon Thursday.